What is up, Kick Fam? My name is Alex, and today we're going to be looking at the 2020 release of the Jordan 5 Fire Reds. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get a quick disclaimer out of the way. By no means am I claiming to be a huge sneakerhead, the biggest collector, any of that. I just recently got into collecting Jordans, and I have a couple pair that, will be featured on the channel, and I decided to first start out with the W that I just got on these Jordan 5 Fire Reds. Super dope shoe, the first 5s I've ever owned. So my first impressions of these are that, it's just a classic silhouette. Everybody knows the shoe. You see it, everybody knows what it is. I thought they were super dope. There were people who had some complaints about the shoe, but with this being my first pair, I have no nostalgic feelings about previous pairs or anything like that I like better. I'm hyped. It's a classic shoe. Got the reflective tag. Got the icy soles on the bottom. It's dope. One thing that I don't know, do people actually wear these with the lace lock on it? And if you do, how do you tie your shoe? This is how I laced them up. I haven't actually worn them yet. I put them on just to kind of wear them around just to see how they would feel, but I haven't actually wore the shoe anywhere. They're still technically dead stock. Obviously, I'm not gonna sell them, but I wear a size 13. Grab the box. It's a huge box, man. For anybody who wears a size 13, so we can get the focus. For anybody who wears a size 13, you know how crazy big your shoe boxes are. It's a bit of a pain when it comes to storage, but it's all good. So just to give a quick look at the shoe, classic features, got your icy soles, got your hits of red on the side, reflective tag, that's everybody knows, comes on the 5. Also has the Nike Air on the back. That's pretty dope. I have a pair of 3s that are, I think, the Hall of Fame 3s that have the Jumpman on the back instead of Nike Air. Nike Air on the back is dope. All around, man, it's just a super dope shoe. Really don't have a lot to say about it. Like I said, these are just gonna be quick looks when we're taking at shoes. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so yeah, we're gonna get into some on-foot views, and if you guys have any suggestions or want to see any other shoes, definitely drop a comment. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can be updated on future videos. I do plan on doing more quick looks at sneakers with on-foots. I'm also looking into doing maybe some product reviews on things like Rejuvenator and some different shoe cleaners, shoe wipes, things like that. If there's anything you guys are interested in, make sure you leave a like in the comment below, letting me know, what it is you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna go ahead and get into some on-foot views.